When you need control over the temperature in a specific area of your home, getting a mini split installation in Grand Rapids, Michigan is often a great solution. But installing one isn't exactly straightforward. You'll need to avoid these common mistakes. The first misstep you'll need to focus on is improper placement. Your indoor and outdoor units need adequate clearance for proper airflow. This prevents overheating and reduces energy consumption. Another common mistake homeowners make is choosing the wrong size for their mini split setup in their Kent County, Michigan homes. If your mini split setup is too large, it can constantly cycle. Too small, it'll work double time. The worst part, your rooms often won't even reach the desired temperature. Your home and new mini split system also need to be adequately insulated. Insulation prevents energy loss and protects your system's electrical components from damage. Failing to insulate your system properly can result in safety hazards, costly repairs, and diminished comfort. A mini split installation must be carefully planned out. After all, this equipment is not your average electrical appliance and has unique specifications regarding voltage and current limitations. In addition, you'll need to plan how you'll want your system wired to obtain the nicest visual aesthetic. The biggest mistake homeowners make when installing a mini split system is attempting to do it themselves. These are complex systems that require electrical knowledge, refrigerant handling, and more. So if you're ready to upgrade your comfort with a mini split installation in Grand Rapids, Michigan, contact Sullivan Heating Cooling Plumbing today for a quote.